Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a useful kitchen essential that you need for your kitchen, the Jeanzer oil bottle. With streamlined design, the bottle has a beautiful and elegant look, making it a great item to have in your kitchen. The bottle comes in a clear and transparent design, making labeling and identification of content such as oil, vinegar and soy sauce. With spiral design, the rubber stopper effectively protects liquids from outside contamination. An easy open lid makes meticulously controlled pouring easier than thought possible. The package contains 2 DIY stickers to help differentiate the content and 1 rubber funnel for refueling and a perfect finishing bottle touch for a beautiful kitchen. Add some culture to your kitchen set with this essential and join me in the kitchen to make delicious dishes with Jeanzer oil bottle.